Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on US Bank Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for US Bank Login. Click on this first website over here and click on Login on the top right corner. Now, choose your account type. Enter your username, and if you want your username to be remembered even after you get back, simply click on the tick mark over here. Since we do not know our password, click on Forgot Login Help. Now, enter your username here and simply click on Continue. If you do not know your username as well, click on I don't know my username. Now, we need to verify through our email address or phone number, so let's click on Email for now and click on Continue. Enter the email address and click on Continue. After this, we'll get a verification code we need to click here. Once the email address is verified, we get our new username, after which we can create our new password and get into our US Bank Online Banking. So, this is all we can do to reset our US Bank Online Banking password. This is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.